Hey everybody, this is Sully. Alright, so in my last video, Betaflight 4.0 1275 development version, there's a launch control. Launch control. We have launch control. Holy cow, I've never seen launch control. Oh, sooky. And if you haven't watched that video, watch it. And I didn't know how to work it, but now I do. And it's pretty simple. Set up your switches and turn on launch control, arm the quad, pitch forward, let it wait, and when you're ready, just jab the throttle and you're off. And it's awesome! Oh my god, I don't even race and it's just fun because it just hangs there and then you're off. And yay, so much fun. So anyway, here's my little flight. Launch control, get it, use it, love it. There are other options as long as you have an accelerometer to set the exact angle you want, or to, just angle you want. And other than that, man, whoo, it is so much fun. Like, I love it. Just for the factor. Now it's really fun on tiny whoops since they have the little blade guards, so you can just hang where you want to do and you just take off from that angle, and you don't have to worry about blades hitting the ground. For bigger quads, there are extra instructions. There are details down below on how to use it. Thank you so much, hope you enjoy it, and we'll catch you again later.